Hey guys, it's Nicole, and today I did these disappearing mood drip nails inspired by LuxaPolish. And I also used opal chrome, white chrome, and striping tape. So when the nails get cold, the drips on my middle two nails just kind of disappear. So I started off with Madame Glam's Perfect White, Lechat's Heartthrob, and then the Lechat mood color in the shade Twilight Skies. So I applied the white to the base of my pinky and then the non-mood pink on top. And then I took some rubbing alcohol on a detail brush just to blend those two together. And then on my middle two nails I applied the mood color, and I think it's super cool that you can see on the brush that it goes from a purple to a pink as it warms up and is applied. Which makes it kind of freaky when applying, but it's pretty cool. And then I put the white on my pointer finger. And then once that was cured, I'm taking Fingerpaints It Comes Easily for me. It's just regular nail polish, so I mixed it half and half with some base coat. And then I used that on my middle two fingers to make the drips, just because it's a color that matches the cold color of this pink shade pretty well. So you just want something that matches the cold shade. And then I tried to keep the drips fairly flat so that they will disappear once I cover them in top coat. So it's a nice smooth surface. You could do bigger drips, smaller drips, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be drips. You could do any sort of design and it would disappear. And then next I'm using Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Gel, and I put this over all of the nails, trying to make sure to kind of more float it over the middle two nails so I make a smooth surface. And then I only cured it for 15 seconds because that kind of helps the chrome apply better, and I feel like it helps it last longer. So once that was cured, I'm taking two chromes from LuxaPolish. So I've got opal chrome here and white chrome. So I started off with the white chrome on my middle two nails. It just kind of creates a metallic kind of surface. And I was going to use opal chrome over it, but the two colors I used don't really have a big contrast, so you can't really tell that the drips are there. So I went with the white chrome instead. And then I used the opal chrome on my other two nails. And I think it looks so pretty over white. Like, this is why a lot of brands call it unicorn chrome, because it looks so pretty. So it just picks up like the blue and the pink undertones. So I think it looks really, really cute. So I'm just using a silicone applicator tool to blend it all in, making sure I cover all of the edges. And then I used a fan brush to dust everything off, and then applied another layer of No Wipe top coat. Trying to make sure that I coat all of the edges so none of the chrome will wash off or anything, because if it's not covered in top coat, it will not stay. And then once that was cured, I'm taking the mood color to make some drips on my pointer nail. And these ones I did bigger because I kind of like how the bigger ones looked. And this one doesn't need to be flat, so I just did the same thing here, but reversed of the ones coming from the bottom. And then I'm taking some silver striping tape to put on my pinky. And I just made sure to nip the ends a little bit before the end of my nail, and then make sure it's flat and stuck down. Then I applied top gel over all of my nails, making sure to get it over the striping tape and to cover the drips. But I also put it over the chromes because I feel like the chromes last better with a regular top gel on top of the No Wipe top gel, if that makes any sense. And then once that was applied, I cured it and removed the last tacky layer. So you can see here I've got a cup of cold water. It's not super, super cold. It's just coldish tap water. And you can see it turns to purple once you dunk your hands in there. And then the drips disappear. So that's it for this week's nail art look. I hope you enjoyed this look in this tutorial. I will leave product links in the description bar below if you'd like to create this look. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye!